Seneta Nairobi Edwin Sifuna mabende en jagoro maduong' mar ODM ne omedo wuok tung' mosuo gi jotend migepe mag ODM manyocho gwele sirikal. E nyim od bura Sifuna noseyo rem mar jatend migao mar Omenda John Mbadi luwo chik mar od bura mar chopo mondo oda dhoge. Okang' ma kamano nomiyo Seneta ma Kericho Aaron Cheruiyot oseye kuom kiro wach mageto Mbadi.
The question that I was supposed to put to CS Mbadi is a question that is over a year old. It has taken him less than 2 weeks to become a proper Kenya Kwanza cabinet secretary who has no respect for this house. Honorable Chair, we cannot allow this because we want to engage with these CSs. He cannot tell us, and I want to tell John Mbadi that this is unacceptable. This is unacceptable, totally unacceptable, when he has to show respect for this house. And in fact, it is worse that he was a member of parliament. If he had just been plucked from the wilderness like some of the other people I see, maybe we would excuse him. But he is a member of parliament. He has even finished 2 weeks. Honorable John Mbadi must be called to order. This is not the John Mbadi I knew. I don't know what they have done to him.
When he wants to leave it on record and say that John Mbadi has become a proper Kenya Kwanza minister who has no respect for parliament, I cannot allow him to do that, Mr. Speaker. Because otherwise, you reduce a very valid point to a partisan debate that is useless.